Hello everyone, welcome back to IELTS Training Hub. In today's video, we're going to listen to a Band 9.0 sample answer for the cue card, Describe a time you were very busy. Let's begin the mock test. Good morning, my name is Ms. Taylor. Can you please tell me your full name?
My name is Rahul Mehta.
Thank you, Rahul. Can I see your identification, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Now, in part 1, I'd like to ask you some questions about your daily routine. Do you usually have a busy day?
Yes, most of my weekdays are quite busy because I manage both work and personal commitments.
What part of the day are you usually the busiest?
Definitely the mornings. I prepare for meetings, respond to emails, and plan my tasks for the entire day.
Do you like being busy?
Yes, I enjoy being productive, but I also value balance. So I make time to relax when possible.
Great. Now let's move to part 2. Here is your cue card. You will have 1 minute to prepare, and then you should speak for up to 2 minutes. All right, please start speaking.
A time when I was extremely busy was last December, when I was managing a major work project while also preparing for a family event. At my workplace, we were launching a new software update, and I was responsible for coordinating the communication between our development team and the clients. This alone required long hours, constant follow-ups, and a lot of attention to detail. At the same time, my cousin's wedding was approaching. And since I'm one of the closest family members, I had to help with planning, arranging decorations, and managing guest lists. These two responsibilities overlapped, which made that week incredibly hectic. To handle everything, I created a strict schedule, woke up earlier than usual, and prioritized tasks based on urgency. I remember switching between professional emails and wedding-related calls almost every hour. Although I felt stressed at times, I also felt a strong sense of satisfaction. Being busy helped me realize how productive and capable I can be under pressure. And once everything was completed successfully, I felt truly relieved and proud. That was the time I remember being extremely busy.
Thank you. Now, let's move to part 3. Do you think people today are busier than in the past? Do you usually have a busy day?
Yes, absolutely. Modern life demands much more multitasking than before. People juggle work, social commitments, digital communication, and personal development all at the same time. Technology has made things faster, but it has also increased expectations. So, in many ways, people today experience a much higher level of busyness than previous generations.
What types of jobs require people to be very busy?
Jobs in healthcare, technology, business management, and hospitality often require high levels of activity and pressure. These roles involve dealing with real-time problems, managing teams, or responding to customers. Additionally, leadership positions tend to be inherently busy because they involve making decisions and handling multiple responsibilities simultaneously.
Do you think being busy is always a good thing?
Not always. Being busy can give people a sense of purpose and productivity, but excessive busyness can lead to burnout. What truly matters is balance, maintaining productivity while also taking care of mental and physical well being. So, being busy can be positive, but only when managed in a healthy way.
Thank you. That is the end of your speaking test. Thanks for watching. If you found this Band 9 answer helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IELTS Training Hub. See you in the next video.